In today's economy, nearly everyone is typically searching out ways to help to make extra income. And some are even thinking about ditching the 9-to-5 and creating their own online business. An online directory website may be that perfect source of income. And that's why we are here to present you our business directory and listing WordPress theme. Introducing DWT Listing. DWT Listing is largest and full of features directory business WordPress theme with unlimited possibilities, where users can quickly and easily find important business information, such as phone, address and website links for companies, restaurants, hotels, vehicle dealers, real estate and services among others. Our powerful search provides opportunity to user to get found by potential customers. The theme provides 11 ready-to-use stunning pre-made websites so that you can choose the one you like best and start customizing using WP Bakery or Elementor Page Builder. We have built DWT Listing by focusing basic to advanced need of directory list owners with the goal that they can get maximum benefits. You are in full control to allow number of features and decide the price. Our theme is search engine optimized and fully responsive, so your customers can easily find your site on any device such as mobile, tablet, or PC. Translate it into any language, so you can use it in more than one language simultaneously. And it additionally comes with RTL version. With this awesome feature, you can convert your website from left to right to left pretty easily than you would have thought it to be. Want to build your online store? Don't worry. The theme includes a complete shopping module. You can set up your own online store rapidly and easily. We also have a complete demo for shopping website as well. Do you know? More than 45% of the world population using internet over mobiles. And most people can't grow their business because they don't have mobile app for their business. But you're in a win-win condition. Because another feature of DWT Listing theme is that it comes with the native mobile app. And it's a huge advantage to making your business profitable than different competitors. Use our WizChat plugin to add live chat support to your WordPress site rapidly and easily. WizChat comes with a complete set of features that makes customers' service more efficient. Along with this, you will get lifetime free regular maintenance, latest updates, and bugs fixed. Whether you need a support for your website, we do it all for you. We focus on simplicity and elegant design, and we have created many WordPress premium themes with unique features trusted by 10,000 plus customers. So don't waste your time. Buy now. Visit us at www.scriptsbundle.com.